Welcome to Brazil for the third and final flyaway before we head back to Europe to continue the rest of the season. The MXGP of Brazil returns to Beto Carreiro World, which is renowned for its fun atmosphere and lively crowd. Before we head back to the track, we've taken a moment to come down here to the beach to enjoy the beautiful weather of day one, because as we know, this track is renowned for a lot of rain. But keep following all the news on the build-up to the weekend on MXGP's Facebook and Twitter. But more importantly, keep tuned Sunday live for the main event.